James with SuperBrightLEDs.com here to showcase our new LED strip kits. These LED strip kits, created by our in-house lighting experts, are great for under cabinet lighting, shelf and display lighting, accent lighting, and much more. They're available in tunable white, multicolor, single color, or multicolor plus white options. These kits have everything you need for a quick do-it-yourself install. These strips can be cut to size and connected without the hassle of wire stripping or splicing, using solderless quick connectors to easily link strip segments. Then secure the strips in place with a durable 3M adhesive backing. Connect either your RF or Bluetooth controller and plug in the included power supply to enjoy the high quality lighting you've come to expect from Super Bright LEDs products. For more information on the available strip kits or any of our other LED lighting products, please visit us at SuperBrightLEDs.com. LED lighting for everything.